Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my Facebook page, Instagram. So here is me trying to do a tutorial on first short hair. At first you comb, don't forget to wet your hair before combing, and after that I flattened my hair. Then I go ahead by sectioning the frontal part of my hair to flat twist. At this point, flat twisting my hair. If you can't do flat twist, you can do any style, maybe cornrow, and it look as beautiful as mine. Please don't mind my front hair. I know I'm a Yoruba girl, so I don't know if it's true the pepper I usually eat. Cause if you have gotten to this point and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please make sure you subscribe. If you are watching from Facebook, make sure you follow me and you see good and lovely videos like this. So let's continue. Yeah, read the same in the left hand side. And after repeating that, you get whatsoever drawstring. This is a shoelace that I use, so you can get anything that is more convenient for you. And please make sure you don't too tight, it won't cause you headache. Then after that, just like my video, subscribe if you're watching from YouTube, you follow if you're watching from Facebook and Instagram. Please make sure you do this. It will make algorithm push out my video. Tuck it in and make sure it's well secured. You can see how short my hair is and still doing this style. When your hair is a bit short, you don't need to over tight it. Just use your hand to fluff your hair out and to look beautiful as mine. Okay, I don't have any accessories for hair, so I just use the one I have, which is this golden ring. I don't know what it's called, but it's just like it's golden. I make use of it. I secure it to the ends of my flat twist. At this point, if you have beautiful accessories, this way you can use it to make the hair pop out more well. I just have to add it here to make it beautiful. And for my edges, I use betal gel. You can use any edge wax you have. Edge wax will do very great job compared to this water gel. You know, water gel does not hold very tight, so that's why. And I have a very stubborn 4C hair. So after that, I just do same, and I don't know why most of the time petal gels don't usually hold my front hair. That's what I have available when I'm making this video. So but it still look good. Okay, still look good. Or if you have any method of me getting my head properly laid, please don't forget to share. There's love in sharing. Please make sure you brush all your hair, their edges at the back, don't forget them, so that they won't be flying. You can see how beautiful it looks. And yeah, if you have gotten to this point, please like, comment your thoughts below. And the second style, in case you don't want your hair flying around, you can just tuck it in with your bobby pin, and at the end you tuck the other one and you will look absolutely beautiful and your hair will look gorgeous. This is a 5-minute do. It's suitable for your occasions, your office, your dinner date, and yeah. See you in my next one. Lest I forget, I sell beauty bonnet and lovely scrunchie. See you in my DM. Bye for now. Bye.